Assalamualaikum students, hopefully all of you are fine. Today our topic of discussion is Unit 6, How to Study. This lesson is a research of art, we can say this lesson is the advice of Dr. Mellison, or the director of the University of London. The man tries to give answers of the questions that how to study, how many hours a student should spend for study, and third one question, that is what are the reasons students do not concentrate on study. This lesson is the suggestion. In this lesson, the suggestions of Dr. Melisons are discussed are related to your private study, the study that you do by yourself, not the time that you spend in the class. Imagine I can clarify the ideas of the Dr. Mellison by giving his example that he gives in the book of undergraduate book. He says that imagine there is one curve that starts from 0 to 24 points, and we all know that there are 24 hours in a day. According to the Mellison, if any person doesn't work, he or she learns 0 point, but any person who works for 1 hour gains 1 point of learning. Similarly, if the person works for 2 hours, then 2 points of learning are added. Malison has the point of view that a person cannot work for 23 or 24 hours. He says that it is a general thinking that if you will work more hours, your learning will be more. Dr. Mellison says learning depends on concentration. If anyone works for 23 hours, then he or she will be definitely fatigued and tired. In that condition, it's impossible to learn in proper way. Therefore, the director says learning depends on the concentration. One can study till he or she can concentrate properly on any task. He says he cannot tell specific hours to a student for the study because it differs from person to person and the type of the work as well. Even this gentleman thinks working hours or the study hours of the same person varies from day to day. As we are human beings, it's not possible that we can concentrate on study in the same way in our daily life. Sometimes we are tired and have other issues of life as well. So these factors affect on concentration also. In the lesson, 5 hours a day time is mentioned for most ordinary students during which they learn at the optimum level, but it can vary from person to person. Then this Dr. Mellison defines or gives the list of the reasons as well that why students do not concentrate during their study. He says that it is a habit of the student that do not study before the exam. They just sit on the chair and worry about papers. In this condition, Mellison describes your mind is not in relaxed. Your mind is not relaxed. People have the opinion that mind works like body. It's incorrect. The example is also given in the lesson. If anyone wants to conserve the physical energy and cut maximum tree for firewood, after that his or her mind will not work in an appropriate way for further tasks. If any other person who is sitting also there and who just looks at the person who is cutting the tree and is not working there, in all of these conditions, the minds of the both persons are working there continuously and both are tired as well. So we can say mind is not in the rest even when we are asleep. Dr. Mellison writes this line as well in the lesson that even when we are asleep, in that condition, our mind is not in the legs. This mind works in a proper way when it's in the rest and is relaxed. Mellison says mind gets relaxation only by variety, and this is what that brings the mind in rest. In the last, Mellison suggests is when you finish your work or task or the study, even do not sit on that chair and stop thinking about your study. Go out and do something different or something else. so that your mind gets variety. It comes in the condition of the rest. When your mind get the variety of the works or do the variety of the work, at that time it is in the it is in the rest, and it is relaxed as well. So try to do different type of the works and different type of the activities as well, in order to make your mind, in order to bring your mind in the relaxation. In this way your mind will work properly as well. Thank you.